That's Cleo, and this is the BarkBox. It's a subscription of dog toys that gets sent out every month. It's the first time we're getting it. We're gonna see Cleo's reaction to her toys. So we have Nick here. Nick is Cleo's owner, and we're gonna open up the box and see what's inside.
The magnificent magic box, the great Barkinis.
Oh, let's see.
Cleo, sit. What is this?
Quite a few different toys. What does that say?
You are getting Squeaky, and Cleo obviously wants it.
So it sounds like we've got a squeaker.
Maybe. Oh, there it is.
Yep.
Cleo's a fan.
And a rope.
How would you rate this out of 10, Cleo? This seems pretty good.
Does she like the other side of it? Let's see, if you grab the rope, does she want the squeaky toy?
Drop it. Cleo, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Do you want this one? Maybe not as much. Oh.
Okay.
Still seems pretty sold on it.
A little harder to grab for a puppy, but seems pretty good.
Yeah, this is the extra small one too.
All right, so that is toy number one. We've had quite a few things in this box.
What is next? We've got the hat hair. Another squeaker. Oh, it's a hat. Oh.
The rabbit comes out of the hat. Nick, if you can bring that a little bit lower.
Yeah, they have to pull the hat, the rabbit out of the hat. Wow, that's fun. Let me actually rip this.
Rabbit in the hat, and we're gonna give that to Cleo. All right, so it's been about 45 seconds and Cleo hasn't gotten it out, but that's good. That means that it's gonna keep her playing and distracted and tire her out, so I like that. And then next up, we have a deck of cards, it looks like.
Yeah,
4 different cards. Do they all have
lick a card, any card.
Flavored cards?
So these are all trick themed. We didn't even realize this. So it looks like we put treats inside of these cards here. Looks like there's spots.
Are they like little pillow pockets?
Oh yeah, so there's a pouch right there. And you must fill it with treats. I think that might be the only one that has it. But same kind of idea of trying to get her to find stuff in here. So I could actually do this.
Do those separate at all, or do they all stay together? Let's show under the camera.
I think they all stick together. Yeah, they're all stitched together.
So they all stick together, and then 25% of them get a treat inside. And is there 1 or 2 squeakers total?
There's 2 squeakers, one here and one there. And this one's just empty.
Perfect. So let's put a treat in there and see what Cleo thinks.
Yeah, it looks like you just pop it right in there. This seems like a tough thing to get a treat out of, so we'll see. Cleo! There's stuff in there. You smell that? All right, I'll get it.
So while Cleo is still trying to get the treat out of there, I want to show you guys this card that says, rope toys are best for tug, thrashing, and fetch. We don't recommend these toys for unsupervised chewing. After all, your dog's favorite part of playtime is time spent with you. So it's pretty cool. They also include toy tips in here. And then there's a little booklet about how to BarkBox, and then on the very bottom of the BarkBox, it shows which possible toys you got. So we got a couple of these, and now we'll show you the last 3 items that are in the BarkBox. And these ones we might not give Cleo right now because she's had quite a bit of treats today.
She has.
So what is this?
This is a pumpkin and honey recipe chew stick, so I'm thinking just a similar kind of hard and chewable for them, and they're definitely a good size. And it says all the ingredients on there and the guaranteed analysis there, which is cool.
Sweet, so it's like a Slim Jim, but for dogs. Next up,
chicken crunchies. Looks like freeze-dried chicken, which is awesome that it's freeze-dried. And this, because they're pretty small, I'll just give her one and see how she likes it. Cleo. Ooh, and they're nice and big. You want that? Sit. Down. Down all the way. Good girl.
Nice. And then last but not least, we have this pinkish rose-colored box, or bag, and I might actually keep those for myself.
Mega Moo Jerky Bites. Ew, beef lung. Do you want to eat beef lung?
I think beef lung would actually taste pretty good.
Again, same kind of thing in terms of the ingredients here. They also do have a little snack hint for it as well. I'm going to put this in one of these toys right now, though.
Awesome. And then what's really cool is inside the box, right? So it had a layout of the magnificent magic box. Has some information here about the toys and various sorts of play. Also has it in Spanish. And then what's cool is on the back, they actually have some magic trick ideas. So here's one that says, hold out one card and ask your dog to take it. If your dog takes it in their mouth and holds it, mark with a yes, reward them immediately. If your dog hesitates, smear peanut butter on the card and try again. Practice, repeat, and drop the peanut butter once your dog is readily taking the card. And then it has some things to add 3 or more cards and fan them out, and add several more cards. So now you can play any card game you like with your dog picking your cards. So I thought they meant with those card toys, but I think this is actually a trick that you can teach your dog with real playing cards. So thanks to Cleo for showing up for us. Thanks to Nick for getting the BarkBox and showing us what's inside. If you like these videos, let me know. I've never done dog toys, but BarkBox seems pretty cool. If you want to try them out, we're not sponsored, we're not affiliated with them at all, but I'll put a link below. And if you have a BarkBox and you got something different, let me know what you got with a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.